If you never touched a line of code in your life and you don't know technology that well, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to run Claude Code in 2026 directly from your browser. You will need a pro account, which is about $20 a month, but that's the equivalent of 2 pizzas a month, and I think that's more than fair for an expert coder like Claude is. It can turn your ideas into anything in like 5 minutes. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go over to Claude.ai. Once you're in Claude AI, you're going to want to log in, and you're going to be prompted to log in based on your email. Once you log in and you pay the $20, you're going to want to go to the code here. Then from this stage, it's going to prompt you to create a GitHub account. So when you're coding online in the browser, it'll push all the code to your GitHub account. So you're on GitHub now, and then you're going to want to click new up here, new repository. And this is where GitHub is going to store your code. It's pretty simple. I'm the owner here, and you're going to name it like, test code. And then you're going to choose the visibility to private. So no one can really see this but you, or update it. Only you can do that. That's very, very important. Okay, now that you have your repository, you're going to go here, where it's ask Claude to write code. And then you're going to choose your repository here. Wherever you want that project to go into, you're going to choose it here. And then you're going to write your code up in this top project. Once you finish and you're happy with what Claude produced, even though you can't see it and you want to test it, this is where it gets a little bit tricky, but I'll walk you through it simply. You can go to your repository, whatever you're working in. I'm going to go to code. I'm going to download the zip file here. You're going to extract the zip file, and then you're going to double click this here, the file, and where you see the source file and the index packages, all that, you're gonna right click and open in the PowerShell window here. It'll tell you how to run this in the PowerShell. So first off, you have to install the dependencies for your project, whatever it may use, and you would copy this here and you just paste it in your PowerShell account. And then I'm not gonna do it because I've already run it, but you would paste it and it would load all the files here. After that, copy this or whatever and paste it in. It'll start running. Either it'll do the script or it'll pull the website. So like again, we would open the PowerShell window, and from the PowerShell window, we're in the folder we need, and we would paste the script or paste the words that Claude tells us to paste, and we just press enter. Wait a minute and it will open. It will do whatever Claude needs it to do to run your script or your website. It'll produce an output in a minute, and you would just copy and paste that into your browser. And you would see the whole website that Claude made for you. And that's how to run Claude Code on the browser. If you want to learn how to do this on VS Code or in your terminal directly, just watch the video I have posted on my channel for this subject. Thank you.